think the matter of getting eyeballs, fortunately we have a few eyeballs headed our way, but to me it's kind of a question of balance, right? So I think if you imagine a stovetop with multiple pots on the burners, there are some things that take longer to cook, there's some things that are ready in just a few minutes, and to me it's about having a roadmap that has a mixture of big bets and small bets. And you'll get a sense of, during the course of a quarter, you feel like you're making all copy optimizations or color changes and just moving things around on a page. The team will start to get restless. People will wonder, are we going to take a big bet? But on the flip side, if you spend 3 months working on one home run swing and it falls flat, you'll look back and wonder, we didn't actually make much progress as a team, as a division. And so it's all about having a roadmap that has giant, big bets and bold things at the top, but also a series of smaller, more moderate wins that you have a little bit more confidence will turn out, and managing that balance throughout the course of a quarter, a year, et cetera.